Alright, so this is going to be a very different Advent of Code video. That's because I really messed up with the recording. So I've been testing around a couple of stuff like with recording, like setup and stuff, and I made all the audio files just completely unusable. I'll show you. It's a little bit depressing. I'm not that upset about it. It wasn't a very good video, but they look fine. But the audio is monitored, so I set up an audio monitor, and what happens is you just hear the audio twice. Some of them don't have sound for some reason. And I just don't think anyone wants to watch that, so I'm not gonna post that. I struggled with this one. It took me probably like 4 hours altogether to do across 2 different days. I started last week and I finished this week. Well, I can go into it a little bit. So it's about like bricks. You have like bricks in a 3D space and they fall. Part 1 wanted to know which bricks you could remove and stuff becomes fine. It's not like Jenga, because in this example you actually put the brick back after each time you check it, that other things would fall. So that was part 1. And so part 1 involves, first of all, getting the bricks and pushing them down, right? Because they start kind of floating in midair. Push them all down. That's what this does. This one here does. Then what you end up happening is you want to do like a map. You want to build a map between the brick that supports and overlaps with another brick. So that's stopping the brick from coming down. And the vice versa, you want to reverse map as well. And then for part 1, I created this function called doesn't cause falling, which basically asks you like, okay, for each brick, does it support something? And for that supported brick, am I the only one in that list? Meaning, if I'm removed, nothing else would support that brick. And then you just add part 1 if it doesn't cause falling. That's pretty straightforward. Part 2 is less straightforward. Part 2 basically says take brick 1, remove it. How many bricks would fall? How many more bricks would fall if you remove that one? Put it back. Do the same thing for every brick. So what I end up doing is saying if a brick doesn't cause falling, I'm not going to check it. There's no point. And then I create a map, a set for the bricks that I have used. I go and count them. This took me forever, by the way. I was so tired. Couldn't solve it. I tried it like 3 different ways. This is the 3rd it settled. I add myself to the bricks that have been counted. I go through the bricks that I support. If it has been counted, we continue. And we check, right, are all the bricks that would cause me to fall actually in this map? If they're not, then I'm going to continue and I'm going to come back to this at some other step. Otherwise, I'm going to add myself to the counted bricks, and I'm going to add 1 plus, so 1 for the current one, and then a recursive call. And this gives you the right answer. I'm sorry, I mean, a lot of video, but it's all terrible. Like, it really is just bad. Like, the video is fine. Honestly, the video is not even fine. Like, I swear I'm dying on the inside a little bit. But also, whatever, it's fine. We did get it in the end. So yeah, this is going to be like, I didn't solve this problem that quickly. So, if you got excited by like me solving a problem instantly, I'm very sorry. But, we have 45 stars. The next problem that I'm going to take a look at has to be 23 or 21. 23, 21, 24. Oh, it's 23. Oh, this one. I could probably take a look at this. This is half done. Take a look at the way I did it before. And then 24, I can't remember what 24 was. Was this the linear algebra? Yeah, it was linear algebra, wasn't it? And then 25. I didn't try, but I'm pretty sure for part 2 you need all of the other stars anyway, so I'm going to do that one last. 21 was one that I didn't really like, and that the solution is terrible because it includes like or even an odd number, so you have to like cheat in a way, in a specific way. Because they give you here an odd number to have an even number. But okay, thank you for watching this very short video. Check out the GitHub if you want to see the solution in full. And yeah, talk to you later.